Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use wireless grid refined storage. This powerful tool allows you to access your entire storage network from anywhere within its range. No more running back to your base for a single item. We'll cover the essential components and how to get them working together seamlessly. Get ready to streamline your inventory management and enhance your gameplay experience. To begin, you'll need to craft a wireless grid and at least one wireless transmitter. Once you have these, bind your wireless grid to your refined storage controller by simply shift-right-clicking the controller with the grid in hand. Next, place the wireless transmitter anywhere within your existing refined storage network. It acts like a Wi-Fi router for your items, extending access. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice air freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh and clean. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your wireless grid requires power, so ensure it's charged using a compatible charging method, as it consumes energy for operations. The wireless transmitter has a default range of 16 blocks. To expand this, insert range upgrades into the transmitter. Each upgrade increases the range, allowing you to access your storage from much farther away, up to 48 blocks without special add-ons.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.